What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Beat Majors channel. Today we are back making a beat making video. Today I'm just gonna be chopping on the machine. I just wanted to kind of dive into the machine and just kind of do a quick little pattern to show you guys what I've been doing with the machine, how I've incorporated with the SP404 and how I use the two together. I found a track or a sample from tracklib.com. Shout out to tracklib.com. And then that's where I got the sample from, and I chopped it up from there and then put it into the SP404, edited the sample, chopped it up, and then put it into the machine with some effects on it, and then went from there. So let's get into this so I can show you guys what I did. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell button. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into, got the sample in there. Got the samples. So let's go ahead and get them sounding good. Turn my ADSR mode on. ADSR basically, it won't play unless I either hold the key, the note, or unless I turn my release all the way up. And then I can basically do something like and then same thing with this one. I don't want it to. Oh, we gotta turn I can set the polyphony for that group too. So, kind of get the drum pattern on. All right, so let's find some drums. All right, so I laid down the drums, just a quick pattern, and I also sped it up to 190 just to change it up a little bit. It was kind of slow for me, so I just wanted to give it that hip hop bounce. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna really do with the beat, but I just wanted to, I guess, make something just to kind of show you guys me chopping up a sample on the machine here. I guess let's get into it and see what we can come up with, really. Oh, and I put a little EQ on the actual sample itself as well. That way, I'm cutting out the low end of the actual sample. Ooh, that kind of sounded a little dope, but I'm not gonna do that though. Let's actually, when we do this, we gotta make sure our pattern is long enough to fit what we're trying to do. So I made it a 4-bar. So let's go. quantize that. And you can't see my screen again, like I said, so I'm actually highlighting the things on the screen and then using this to quantize until I figure out how to do it in here. This way on the screen here. I'm still working with that, but right now, yeah, I'll get it figured out. I'll get it figured out for sure. But let's see what that sounds like after I quantize it. And another thing I like to do is I like to select all the notes in there, and I'll turn the grid back off, and then I'll nudge those notes just to kind of give it a little loose feel. All right, y'all, we back. Well, back in this, spot, whatever. But that was me just chopping up a sample. I know I'm going to get a little bit better with recording the screen and stuff like that, so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing at the same time and have that angle. Pretty soon I will have a nice little stabilizer so that you guys can actually see what I'm doing at the same time from a broad view instead of over the top of the machine. Like I said, everything will get better with time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Definitely, like I said before, subscribe. Comment below. Comment what you didn't like. Comment what you do like. Comment if you guys have samples that you want me to chop. I'll start, possibly chopping some samples if you guys want to send me some samples. And then, incorporating those into the videos as well. So until next time, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please definitely subscribe. Please like. Please comment below. And if you guys want samples, basically to use samples that are that you pretty much don't have to go through sample clearance issues, go through TrackLib. They'll give you all the information. Tracklib.com. That's TRACKLIB.com. They pretty much have samples on there so that you don't have to spend the time digging. Of course, you have to go through the samples, but it is what it is, and they have a small fee just for you to clear the sample so you can use it in your music production. So until next time, again, like I said, I'll holler at you guys. Subscribe, comment, like. Peace.